If you've lost access to your Zions bank account and can't use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Zions Bank website. Go to the official Zions Bank website using a secure internet connection. Look for the login section where you can find options for account recovery. Step 2. Select Forgot Password or Need Help. Click on the Forgot Password link or the Need Help option. This will direct you to the account recovery process where you can begin the steps to regain access. Step 3. Choose alternative recovery options. Since you cannot use your phone number, look for alternative recovery methods. This may include answering security questions, using an email address associated with your account, or verifying your identity through other means. Step 4. Follow the instructions provided. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and ensure it meets the security requirements outlined by Zions Bank. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Zions Bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Zions Bank customer support for further assistance.